let's go right. Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to install this toolbox on my motorcycle. It's a Kamimoto toolbox. It's 4.2 liters. I will leave a link down below where you can order it. It's about 80 bucks if I'm correct, 80 euros, something like that. I will also leave some alternatives down there, and I will tell you what you should look out for. I ordered this one with the brackets to install it rackless on I think a 1200 or 1250. I fiddled around a little bit already with it, and it turns out I don't need those brackets. So what you need to look out for is if you mount it, that you have sufficient clearance between the tire and the box. And in addition, you also need to make sure that I have sufficient room to fit my panniers. So I will first do a loose fit, and then test it with the panniers, see if it works or not, whether I need any additional spacers or not. Yeah, should be pretty straightforward mounting. How I will mount it on the bike, how you usually see them mounted, is like this. But I run into some issues with that. So the rack that I have for my pannier has a middle connecting point, so that makes it really difficult to open the door of the toolbox. And it's actually then quite low. I'd like to have it a bit higher up. So what I will do is I will install it like this, more or less. Something like this. And it turns out that it actually will work with the standard brackets that were supplied with it. So the only thing is my rack is 10mm tubes, and the brackets that come with the box are for 12mm tubes. So I will fix that with a little bit of patching materials for inner tubes of bikes. This is the smaller clamp for the rear, and these are the two pieces of rubber from the inner tube patch that we cut. So now let's fiddle them in. Now do the same on the forward side. It's a bit of a sticky, it's not really, it's a bit sticky, not super sticky, but enough to keep it in place. Just like that. I've done the same for the big bracket, and now we're going to install it. So let's see if we can now fit it. I was at least one hand short when you try to do these kind of things, but yeah, this is what it is. Not really much you can do about it. I need to put another space behind this one. That's okay. The pannier also fits. Let me show you. Barely fits, but it's just fine. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let's lower it a little bit. So, what you can see is I have plenty of clearance between the tire and the box, so looking good. Now, if you enjoyed this video, put a thumbs up and I will see you the next time. Bye!